Hello, welcome to the class of PHP programming language. So today we are going to discuss about the sanitizing and validation of the user information. So sanitizing and validation of the user information can be done by using a function that is filter_var. So here in this program we are going to use this function that is filter_var. This is used for both validation and the sanitization of the data. So here it filter a single variable with a specified filter and it take two pieces of data, like the variable which we want to check, and the second one is the type of the check that you want to use. So here in this program we have mentioned here we want to check the email. So here I have created a one object that is email1, and I have given this email that is rohandas@gmail.com. So this is the email, and now I want to verify the email that this email is correct or not. So here I have used another object that is only email. Here I have used email1 and here I have used the email. So here this is the another object which is equal to the function filter_var, and in this function we have passed the parameter. The first parameter is the object that is email1 that will pick this email address from here, and the second one is the filter_sanitize_email. So this parameter will remove all the illegal characters that are present in the email address. So this is for the validating the sanitizing the email address. The second one is the validating the email address. So here I have used this if-else statement. So in if statement I have added a condition that not filter_var email filter validate email equals to false. If this particular function parameters will gives the information is false, then it will display a message that email is a valid email address. It means here we have added not. It means this filter_ variable have a valid email, and it have a valid it also validate the email address. So here if this is a false, then it will display a message that the email address is valid. So here if this message is not valid, then it will give a message that is email is not a valid email address. So let's see how it be displayed in the browser. For that you have to go to run project. So here it's showing that rohandas@gmail.com is a valid email address. So here it verify it as a valid address. So if you will remove this from here, like I have added this, and now I save the program, and now again I run this program. So now I click over to this run project, and now you can see that it's showing that rohandas.com is not a valid email address. So it means it sanitize as well as validate the email address, and it get the result that this email is not valid because it doesn't add any @ or any of the Gmail or Yahoo, any of the address, because here these parameters filter sanitize email and filter validate email these two parameters will validate the email address only. So it will pick up the special character from the email and the structure of the email address. So this is all about how to send it. In this way we can also use the another function or the parameters to validate the another information. So this is the way in which we can sanitize and validate the information. So this is all about how to sanitize and validate the user information in PHP program. Thank you.